Hey man, Big Lad TV. Down here in Tallahassee, man, with Costco Custom, man. Me and my boy JT, Black Boy Ralph, we down here, man. Nephew with me. We down here kicking it with Costco Custom at the car wash. We ain't got to the Costco yet, man. And we in fucking Kandy motherfucking land. Nigga, Kandy outrageous motherfucking everywhere. I'm talking about, I think the smallest rims might be 26s here. But everything else is, matter of fact, yeah, the smaller wheels is, yeah, 26s. I believe so. Man, Kandy fucking paint everywhere. Outrageous paint, man. Kandy Chargers, man. Kandy SUVs, man. Goddamn, ain't got the 32s over there on the other side, man. I'm gonna go out here and show y'all real fast, man. What's going on, man? Y'all see that thing? That gold thing back there. Whips everywhere, man. 26 and better. 26s and better. 26s, 28s, and 30s. 30s and shit. Motherfucking 30s everywhere. You see it? 26s on the don't shunts. Goddamn, the biggest of them all. Y'all see them. Y'all know this motherfucker. They everybody know about this motherfucker right here. Y'all see it, man. 26s, 28s, 30s, 32s. See the 32s on that thing, man. Davins, man. You see it. Kandy.